Ulcerative colitis. Introduction.
Stools are stored in the last part of the colon, the sigmoid and rectum, before being excreted. Select true or false. Correct.
Which of the following parts of the digestive system does ulcerative colitis affect?
Choose one of the following options.
1. The stomach. 2. The small intestine. 3. The colon. Correct. Ulcerative colitis affects the colon, also called the large intestine. Which of the following is a common symptom of ulcerative colitis?
Choose one of the following options.
1. Bloody diarrhea. 2. Megacolon. 3. Peritonitis. Correct. Bloody diarrhea is a common symptom of ulcerative colitis. The causes of ulcerative colitis are very well known.
Select true or false.
Correct. The causes of ulcerative colitis are unknown. However, doctors think it is related to a reaction of the immune system. All patients with ulcerative colitis experience loss of appetite and weight loss.
Select true or false.
Correct. Not all patients experience all of the symptoms.
Treatment options for ulcerative colitis may include: choose one of the following options. 1. Nutritional treatment. 2. Medications or supplements. 3. Hospitalization or surgery. 4. All of the above. Correct. Nutritional treatment, medications, supplements, hospitalization, and surgery are treatment options for ulcerative colitis. Thank you for using Explain.